Trucking cases and car accident cases may sound like they're similar because they're vehicle accidents on the road, but they are totally different. When a 18-wheeler or a giant commercial vehicle runs into a Honda Civic or a passenger car or even a pickup truck, just the sheer amount of weight that is in an 18-wheeler that's loaded up causes so much more damage and so much more impact that people end up with really serious injuries. That's piece one. But piece two, the law is different. There's a whole host of both federal and state regulations that apply to commercial trucks, so trucks that are working for businesses, that are hauling things, that are moving things across the country. They have that we call them the CFRs, but they're rules and regulations about who's allowed to drive the vehicle, what the brakes are supposed to look like, how the vehicle's supposed to have certain lighting, what type of inspections you're supposed to do, how fast you can operate, how frequently you're supposed to do the maintenance. There's a series of laws and rules that matter, that are in place to protect all of us from drivers and vehicles that shouldn't be on the road. And too often, almost every time we get a call, it's because some trucking company decided to break the law, break the rules, and put their own interests, their own profitability above the safety of each of us. We have won the biggest trucking cases all across the country, multiple states. It shouldn't surprise me when I find someone's been texting and driving. It shouldn't surprise me when I find someone who's been driving 20 hours straight without taking a break. It shouldn't surprise me when I find out that somebody has been speeding or watching YouTube videos instead of watching the road. It shouldn't surprise me because it happens all the time. That's the practice of what these trucking companies do, because they're trying to hire the very cheapest drivers to charge the very cheapest rates to move things back and forth, and they give no interest and they put no care in making sure that all of us are safe. They just want to make the most money they possibly can. Call us, email us, text us. We'll respond and hold the people who did it accountable and make sure that your family's taken care of.